Let's talk about tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, commonly known as TB, is a contagious infection that usually attacks lungs. It can also spread to other parts of the body like brain and spine. It is caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This bacteria is thought to be over 3 million years old. People with HIV and AIDS and others with weakened immune system are at higher risk of getting tuberculosis because their bodies have a harder time fighting the bacteria. Now let's discuss different types of tuberculosis. The first type is primary tuberculosis. Second type is latent tuberculosis. The third type is active tuberculosis. The primary tuberculosis is the first stage of TB infection. The immune system may be able to fight off the germ, but sometimes it does not destroy all of them, so the germ continue multiplying. One may not have any TB symptom at this stage, but he may develop it at the later stage of life. Latent tuberculosis is the inactive tuberculosis. The germs may be present in our body, but the immune system prevents it from spreading. Despite having any symptoms, the infection is still alive and can one day become active. Active tuberculosis is the active one. The germs multiply and make one sick. One can spread the disease to others. Some 90% of the active cases in adults come from a latent TB infection. Now let's discuss symptoms of TB. The first symptom is a cough that lasts more than 3 weeks. Chest pain, coughing up blood, feeling tired all the times, chill and fever, loss of appetite. Now let's discuss how TB spread. It is spread through shaking hand or any other body contact. It is also spread through sharing food or drink. It can also be spread through sharing bed sheets and towel, etc. And finally, it is spread through sharing toilet seats. Now, what causes TB? Tuberculosis bacteria spread through the air just like a cold or a flu. You can get TB only if you come in contact with the people who have it. When someone who has TB coughs, sneeze, talk, laugh, or sing, they release tiny droplets that contain germs. If you breathe in these germs, you can get the disease. This is why people who have active tuberculosis in their lungs or throat are most likely to infect others. Now let's discuss its treatment. The treatment depends on the types of infections. If one have latent TB, doctor gives medication to kill the bacteria so the infection does not become active. It takes 3 months or more. If one see a sign of active TB, the doctor gives a combination of medicines like ethambutol, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, and rifampin. One needs to take them for 6 to 12 months. If one have drug-resistant TB, doctors might give one or more different medicines. One needs to take them for up to 30 months. So it's all about TB. I hope you find this lecture helpful. Till next lecture, happy learning.